Hi, it's Jake from Xtras, and due to the current state of things, I'm recording this video from home today. I'm also wearing sweatpants, because trust me, it's this or nothing. Now today I'll be showing you how to fine-tune your scooter's internal settings to best fit your needs. So let's just jump right into it. First of all, the BlackTip is accessed via an open source software known as VESC tool. You can find this software at VESCproject.com or by following the link in the description. We recommend purchasing the silver tier option to help support the software and its future development. Note that this software is compatible with Microsoft Windows PCs only. A Windows emulator may run it on Mac computers, but we haven't yet verified this for ourselves. Now that you've gotten the VESC tool downloaded, make sure you have the latest BlackTip Pocket Guide downloaded to the same computer as well. This can be found on our website, divextras.com, which I'll link to in the description as well. Now we get to the fun part. First, open the VESC tool program. You may see a pop-up warning from your computer, which you can safely dismiss by selecting More Info, then clicking Run Anyway. So now that we've gotten VESC tool running, install your BlackTip's batteries and connect the BlackTip to your computer using the USB port located in the tail unit. A USB extension cable will be useful for this. Next, click the Connect button in the top right corner of your VESC tool window to connect to your BlackTip. Another pop-up warning may appear at this point, but you can safely ignore this. After a connection has been established, you should see a confirmation text appear in the bottom right corner. Now the VESC tool software itself has a lot of settings, like a lot of settings. So here's a quick rundown on what you need to know. Ignore them. They're all pre-optimized for your specific motor already, but don't worry, we've still got a few settings you can play around with. First, let's open up the BlackTip Pocket Guide. This handy chart lists all the settings that directly affect your BlackTip's functionality and what each setting does. The white highlighted settings are factory set by us and should be left alone, while the orange settings can be adjusted to suit your preferences. Use this guide as a reference when changing your settings inside the VESC tool software. Now that we're all set up, let's start punching buttons. To access the user customizable settings, click the VESC Terminal tab on the left-hand side, then type $$ into the text field along the bottom, and press the Enter key. You should see the title DivX Settings appear above a list of command codes and names. This shows the settings that are user configurable and what their current values are. In this example, I'll show you how to adjust the rotation of your BlackTip's display. First, we'll find the display rotation entry in the Pocket Guide, then find its corresponding command code. For this particular setting, it's a $ followed by a capital R. Now in the VESC tool, we see that the rotation is set to 1 currently. To change it, simply enter its command code, followed by the new value number. In this case, we'll set it to 3. Hit the Enter key to submit the code. A change value confirmation should appear. This means the input was accepted and you've successfully changed the setting. Now make sure to double check your work by activating the scooter as well. You may need to check it twice to see the changes. And it looks like this one's upside down. So let's try changing the value to 1 instead. And there we go. Of course, you can set your scooter's screen rotation to be whatever you want. But this position is the default when shipped from the factory, so I'll leave it here. In this next example, I'll show you how we can set the number of speed gears to 5 and adjust speed 5 to be full speed. We'll just set the $M command code to 5 and copy both amp and RPM limits from the speed 8 slot over to speed 5. After that, hit Enter and apply your changes. Now I'm not going to check this one right now, but running it in a pool or nearby body of water will tell you if the settings have been properly applied. For the rest of the user adjustable settings, feel free to tweak them as you see fit. And don't worry, if you aren't happy with your changes and want to start fresh, just input $, to reset everything back to their factory defaults. Once you're all finished, simply click the Disconnect button in the top right corner, unplug the USB cable, and reassemble your BlackTip. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your very own settings. Feel like a hacker yet? Thanks for watching. If any questions arise that haven't been answered in this video, check the comment section below this video for additional information or updates. Happy diving!